Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be talking about in detail what happened to my Robinhood account, how I blew up, what kind of mistakes that I've made, and the lessons that I learned. And I'm going to talk about what I'm going to improve on and work on in the future. So stay tuned. Alright guys, first of all, thank you for the subscribers and the people that like the videos, that comment, any kind of feedback. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. So I took multiple trades. Here are the main mistakes that I've made trading this month, basically. The first one is I oversized my position, and in order to improve that, I'm only going to use 20%. That's going to be the solution for it. And the second thing is overtrading. I overtraded a lot, mainly because I wanted to get the losses back very quickly. And in order to improve that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade only one setup. And the third and last thing that I've learned, and the mistake that I made a lot this month, is trading weekly options. I made the biggest gain while trading the monthly options, so I'm just going to focus on that one and only focus on trading the monthly options. So let's go in detail about how I oversized my position. So the trade that I took on Facebook was the one that I took almost more than half of my account. So I just decided to take almost like 80% of my account and to put it in that one position. So when that position did not work out, I basically took a very big loss, even though right after I got out of the trade, like, the trade worked out, which is usually what happens. I was basically covering right over here. I had the 170 call option that was going to end last week Friday, but the second day when I woke up, like, it gapped down, so I had to cut my losses very quickly. But eventually it went up all the way to 169 the next day, so I could have made a huge percent profit about it. But hey, you know what, that happens. So this was the hugest loss that I took on the account, and I actually learned from it. So I'm not going to take more than 20% of my account, so if you look at it, like, I took 123, that's almost 90% of the account. I had like 138, so I took 123 position. Look at the loss. I lost a lot of amount, so I was only left with $40 at the end of the trade after I closed the trade. So the second trade that I took after that was on SQ. So this one was also very tricky and interesting. So I did not learn my lesson right away. I oversized on this one too. I took a huge position, which was, I took almost 95% of the account. I took 44. I bought a put for 71.50. Luckily it worked out, but it was a roller coaster. I was buying the put right over here on March 26th, but on the next day it gapped up, so I was down huge. I was down to $8. Anyway, it's funny right now, but I was down to $8. But hey, it's crazy. The market was very choppy. It gapped up and then it sell out. The overall market was gapping up and selling, so it sold out. So I was so happy that I was from $8 I went to like $60. So I just decided to lock in my profits. Eventually the stock went all the way down to $72, so I could have made 100% on it, but anyway, I didn't expect the stock to go down all the way to $72. So yeah, these weekly options, they just go up and down like crazy. So one time you're up like 100%, the next time you're down more than 100%. So it's crazy. You can't be more than down 100%. But so this was a profitable trade, so I gained the momentum back, so I was like, okay, wow, this is actually pretty good. I actually got the money back. So let me show you how that happened. So did the SQ trade, I made a profit on it. I was happy about it. And the next thing you know, I took another profitable trade on Bank of America. I take a call option for Bank of America, and it actually, the stock actually gapped down the next day, which was, it happens a lot, you know, so it was happening a lot during this past week, market gapping up and down, which is crazy. But anyway, this week, you see like the Facebook, we're currently at $2.31, which is kind of funny. But anyway, yeah, this one is when the market gapped down on Facebook, you know, and I decided to cut the loss, and I took a gain with SQ, you know, I mean $56, and I was up pretty good. I was so happy about it. And then I took a loss on, I think I was still on the trade. The next day it gapped down, I think, yeah. It gapped down on me, and then and I made a profit on it. So let's see what I traded on Bank of America. The Bank of America was very interesting. I took a call option, an options trade, a call. I bought one contract for, sorry about that, it runs really slow when I have a recording software running and also other things running in the computer. It just gets pretty slow, which sucks. But anyway, I bought one contract on March 25th. You can't see it right now, but it's under the screen. But I bought it for $36, and I sold it for $41, so that was a pretty good gain. And then we're gonna come back to this trade later on. After that, I was making profit very well, so I just decided to make another trade. So I've just been over trading a lot, you know. This is the hugest loss that I took this week, you know, on PGE. It had a news that came out and the stock just plummeted down huge, so I just decided to buy a put that was going to expire on Friday, and I was going to hold it for a while, but the stock just kept climbing up, and I just cut the loss right away. After, I didn't even wait the next day. Luckily I got out on time. It was going up very fast, so I just cut it very effectively at that time. And this was the second biggest loss that I took. It was like from $20 to $5. That's like $15 loss, $15. So that was a huge percentage of that account that I had. And the last trade that I took was again on Bank of America. This also just killed it. You know, I bought two contracts. I was oversizing. You know, just like what I was saying over here. The lesson that I learned is just oversizing. You know, I oversized it a lot, and I bought two contracts. I usually buy one contract, and the next day it gapped up. You know, I bought a put, but it gapped up a lot, so I lost like $18. That was a huge loss, you know, for the account. And now I'm only trading the monthly option. So I bought the April 26 call option for Bank of America, $2. I know it's oversized, but that's only the amount of money that I got in the account. So I'm only gonna hold this, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But anyway, guys, it was really rough. We're up and down. We're up at $66, and we went down. I took a trade on PEG, and it crushed it. And I took a trade another Bank of America. It just crushed it, and we're down at 231. So that is crazy. If you look at the 3 months, we're going up pretty well, but it literally just it shot up very high, and then it just went down. We shot up to 138. Now we're down to $2. It's funny. But anyway, luckily I did not force any trades on the other account. You know, I was just focused on learning the option trades that I was going to take. So I'm going to work on it. I'm going to improve on it, and we're going to see. You know, we're going to see if we're going to make a profit from the trades that I have on Bank of America. I'm kind of optimistic about it. Let's see if we can make any profit. So I'm gonna do another recap video on it next week. So if you liked the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't make this 3 mistakes that I've made: oversizing, overtrading, trading weekly options if you have a small account. Yes, it might work out very well, but hey, you want to stick to the strategy that works personally for you. So I'm just gonna stick with trading only monthly options. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.